Hey, it's Sean out at Eco Panels of Tennessee, out in our shop in Hermitage Springs, Tennessee. Now, it's currently raining outside, but that's not slowing us down. As you can see, we got somebody working back there in the back, making sure that we've got everything that we need. So that's one of our big upsides, is being able to work no matter the time frame. So if it's snowing, if it's raining, we're doing all of that inside in good condition space in order to make sure that you've got a pristine product that when we deliver it, it's going to be assembled quickly. It's going to be assembled in all the ways it's supposed to. All of the quality is going to be good. And we can save the shipping until you're ready to receive them. So if you got a foot of snow, obviously you're not going to be putting up panels. But as soon as it goes away, you've got your panels ready, delivered, and then ready to be put up. So if you have any other questions, concerns, even if you just want to chit chat, give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and we'll be happy to get you whatever information you need. Hopefully you got what you need here, and if not, we can definitely shoot you that free assembly manual that we have and we're keeping for people too. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.